Hi everyone, I'm Yentl Lieuw. Let's get into the carnival spirit with some Steelpan music. If you were at the lighting parade, you would have seen this beautiful Aruba Tourism Authority decked out truck open the parade with a Steelpan orchestra performed by the Aruba Invaders. The displays accompanying the band even give spectators a brief history into the music and celebration. Steelpan music has been part of Carnival since the very beginnings in Aruba, so it is fitting for the 70th celebration to shine some spotlight on this genre of music that is so important to the island's culture and Carnival identity. Lee Connor's father is the late Edgar Connor, who was one of the pioneers of the Steelpan movement in Aruba. To open the parades during Aruba's 70th Carnival celebration is a proud moment for him and his family.
Well, this is the first time that we are opening for the parade, so I'm really honored by that they choose us to do that in this format, because yes, my late father with his band, and I mean they were the one that started with this 70 years ago. So for me, 70 years later, to be in this position, it's a really big honor that the ATA chose us via Go Cultura to make this happen.
1, 2, 3, 4.
With ATA's support, these Steelpan musicians have an incredible platform to showcase to the community of Aruba what they can do. Lee recognizes the magnitude of this big opportunity.
Well, the fact that ATA thought of us in this way, it's really an honor, because it puts us in a position where we can really strut our stuff now and showcase to the max. And that's why we're practicing so hard to get everything in order for that day, because it's not just only performing, but we're going to be there doing things also for our public during the parades. So yeah, I don't know, it's almost makes me speechless. Yeah. So
During only the rehearsal, I could see the passion for the music coming from these performers. There's really nothing quite like the sound, the unique rhythm, and the story when it comes to Steelpan.
For me, Steelpan music or pan music it's like there's no other instrument as an instrument that is especially handmade, that gives such a spectrum of colors. It represents when you play it, and the amount of different intonations in one note that would come out and give you tone. And when you're able to play something and you can recognize that an instrument that's also synonymous to a piano, then it's just the world would open up in a different way for you. For me, just listening to the sound, the sound that harmonize while you play different notes together, that too gives the beauty of the typical sound of a steel drum.
These one-of-a-kind pan instruments have really come a long way. It was always created to be part of celebrations. Even though the music is synonymous with Carnival, Steelpans now belong with a variety of musical genres nowadays.
You see, because it could be pure Carnival, but it evolves so much that it's now between Carnival, jazz, funk, easy listening, lounge music, anything you want to listen to, you can play. You can play anything on the pan.
The music might be age-old, but I did notice many young musicians part of the band.
Well, the melody is very smooth. It's very you could say soul-taking, I would put. It makes you start moving without your intentions of moving, you understand? If you understand what I mean.
But now that I know we're going to open the parade, I'm kind of excited about it because that means we get to be the first group that people see and enjoy, and then the rest follow after.
I love playing Steelpan mostly because, well, I'm good at it, and I used to play piano, so this is basically like a substitute for me to just play another musical instrument.
Steelpan music is important to Aruba's carnival identity. It is significant to the island's culture, and it is undoubtedly part of our history. To have the younger generation involved and take over the musical tradition is necessary. Why is it so important, do you think, for your generation, the younger generation, to be playing Steelpan music?
To know about the history of Steelpan.
Well, Steelpan has a very long history actually. So I would say to the kids or for the future generations to come and play Steelpan for the sake of history, but also for the sake of the culture.